Alright, picking up some good flour this time around because we've been making all our own stuff, from bread to tortillas to cookies to all different types of stuff with flour, obviously. But you know, ditch the fast food and all that crazy stuff. And anyhow, this is the good stuff right here. This is like $3 and some change. Like, let's go with $3 and Bluebird 5-pound bag. And this is the jam right here. Get yourself a cool little package of this flour here and get to cooking. We're gonna start doing some more videos of actually showing us using all this, but I want to make sure I use this video so you know what flour we're working with. This is recommended even by my Navajo princess here, that this is the flour you gotta have to make fry bread. So it's just like, to me, when you buy good rice, like that jasmine rice, get the good stuff, get good food on the other end when you finish your little recipe. So we'll be cracking this, and this is what we're going to be using for a lot of stuff coming up here pretty soon. Peace.